Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, my fellow YouTube fans. This is Unfair Statue 288 with promodmaster playing online System Link. My bad, not online, offline. Haha, joke. But we are playing System Link and we are going to show you the construction site level. We are trying to complete the Dead Air campaign. Got anything to say, Mr. Promod?
No, not right now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we got zombies to kill. Yeah, you do look like him. He's stupid ugly. Hey.
They look canes. No, they look like fatty. You guys don't know what fatty is.
Watch where you're shooting.
Shooting me.
Ow. Watch out, we got Tanky out here. Are you ready, Mr. Statue? You ready?
Yeah, do it. I'll get you some, you undead flesh addicts. Hey, what are you doing?
Would you please cover me?
This is a nice way.
Weapons here.
Which way, Mr. Statue?
I go this way. Make sure you get some ammo. Gonna need it, Mr. Promod.
Reloading.
away from her. Stay away from her, Promod. No! Run, Promod, run! Oh god, look at that ugly face. That's some scary stuff, man. Alright, cutting this way. Never mind, we gotta go this way, through the garage. Watch out. Inside this door. There's a boomer on the other side of it. Dang it. This way, this way.
How much farther is this, John Steeler?
We gotta go this way. Come on. Up that airplane. Never mind. No, this way. Through the parking garage. Come on, let's go, guys.
Well, guys, look at these nice cars down here.
I know. Look, I even found a police car.
Yeah, you guys again won't let us drive it.
That'd be cool, wouldn't it?
Look at this nice Charger.
Alright, found it. This way.
There's a safe place up ahead.
Safe house. Watch out, hurry up. Watch out for the witch. Get in here, Promod. Let's go. No, don't shoot her. Let's go. Come to the safe house.
Do they?
Can you make it?
Come on, we gotta get into the safe house.
You're okay, Zoe.
Oh, man.